This is day 0, which is the day that you just finished your hair transplant. So these are some of the things that you need to do, and let me run through it you one by one. Number 1, this is your bandana. This is how you need to fold the bandana. It's a triangle, but not an equal triangle. You have to make one side longer than the other. Put it around your head, tie it at the back, and make it snug. You look like a biker, or maybe a pirate, but you definitely look good. Number 2, this is your shampoo. Keep it one side because we're gonna use it on day 2 onward. Number 3, this is your medication box, and there are 2 segments for you to notice. Segment 1, this is your painkillers. You will notice one smaller one, which is rectangular, and 2 larger ones, which are circular. If you experience mild discomfort tonight, take the larger one. They're actually just Panadol. If you feel more discomfort, take the rectangular one. That's ibuprofen. Now turn it and you will see 8 different small boxes. These are your antibiotics and your anti-inflammatory. You will need to take them for the next 4 days, in the morning and in the evening after food. You can take any box. They're all the same, so don't worry. Next, this is your hairspray. It is filled with saline solution. What you need to do is unlock it and spray 3 to 4 sprays every hour while you are awake. The function is to keep the implanted hairs moist. It is not for washing. So just do it for the next 2 days and you don't need to use it anymore. Next, this is your pillow protector. After you open it, there is a blue segment and the white segment. The blue is on your pillow, the white is on you. This is to make sure you do not stain any pillows, especially if you're staying in a hotel or your friend's home. Now, how do you sleep tonight? You just sleep laying flat as normal, like a normal person should be sleeping. You do not need to sleep sitting up like what you would have read in some reviews or even in Google. So I hope you have a pleasant journey tonight, and be sure to tune in to day 1 or the next video to know all about bandage removal.